I use box of cake. 1 scratch paper. Then make a heart shape. Measure the width by 4.5 centimeters. Then cut it. Measure it again by 1.2 centimeters. Same measure of double-sided tape. Cut it into small pieces. And then fold it. Then attach it to the heart shape. Make another heart shape. Use acetate sheet. Red cartolina paper. Cut it by 3 centimeters width. Same procedure on the first one. Oops, sorry. I didn't notice that I forgot to get the measure of heart shape. So I cut it again to reduce the length. But it's okay. I did mistakes several times. And always remember that mistakes are part of our learning process and improvements. I don't have red color, so I try this. Actually, I don't have an idea how to cover the letters, so I decided to use the red ribbon. Thanks for watching.